Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer money on Cash App to your bank account. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have $50 on Cash App. The first thing I'm going to want to do is actually link my bank account. So at the top right, you see your person icon. So we're going to click on that person icon. Okay, from here, you'll have multiple options. Personal linked banks, you're going to click on linked banks. Okay, from here, you'll see the option to add a bank account or link a debit card. So click on link a bank account and then enter in your banking information, or you could also link your debit card. So after you've linked your bank account, you're going to cash out. So as you can see here, I have two options, whether to add cash or cash out. I'm going to click on cash out. Okay, right there, $50 available, cash out. Yes, let's cash out here. And then you could choose how fast you want your money. The standard, you don't have to pay a fee. If you want the money instantly, then you'll have to be charged a fee. In this case, if I wanted an instant transfer, I'd have to pay a 75-cent fee. At this point, I'm just going to go with the free option and choose standard. I'm going to enter in my PIN. And just like that, $50 will be available in your bank account on Wednesday. So that in a nutshell is how you transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.